You guys ready for an adventure?
Yeah!
Where are we going?
We are going to the Home Depot to make a picture frame.
A picture frame. All right.
And it looks like this.
Awesome.
But
Okay.
we don't get the picture inside.
We'll put our own pictures in.
Uh-huh.
Lego, Minecraft, Calico Critters, Zoom Zooms, family. Let's go. Hey, you guys ready for adventure?
Yeah.
We're here at the Home Depot.
We're building a picture frame.
A picture frame.
With 2016 on it.
So you think it's going to be inside or outside today?
Inside.
Yeah. Ooh, Christmas trees. Ooh. There's Mickey up there. And a troll.
I smell the wood.
Good morning.
How are you?
We're doing great.
You guys ready to build another one? Yep. Picture frame.
Okay.
I told you there was 2016.
Oh,
Told you. There's nails and screws for this build.
good. Oh yeah, nails and screws.
So how do you do screws?
We got little screwdrivers right there.
Hey, look! Look! There's going to be sparkles. And there's no holes for the nails on here, except for this one.
Just get it lined up careful.
That's my good boy. What's my
Hey, show me how it's going so far. Looks awesome. How's yours? Need help lining it up?
That way you don't hit your fingers.
Okay. You're onto the twisty hook. Twisty.
Okay.
Keep going, man. All the way.
That piece in.
Like that? Which way?
This way.
Here's this one. Put your nails
You
in the holes
gotta push
and get 'em
down
started.
and turn. Okay, Daddy's gonna do these screws. They're too hard.
I started it.
Can you get it in there?
Okay. Now
It's gonna start getting
you're
tight.
strong. Not yet.
Is it in the wood real good? I'll show you a trick.
Now you need to get a screwdriver. He's so smart.
Done.
Hold it up and smile.
Are you really done? What about this?
Hold it up real quick and smile at me.
Sticker time. We can put it on the back.
It's gonna go on. Yeah, you see where the holes are, but we got the plastic.
Awesome. And now it leaves a space where you can write your name. Sophia made this at Home Depot. Now you can put that one on the back, and then you write your name.
Now. Okay, this.
This is not a sticker.
Not,
Guys, I only have my wood piece in here.
you sure? Yo, you're trying to trick me. Because it's so clear you can't even see it.
Other side.
Oh, you turned that into a sticker?
Yeah.
Clever.
Now, how do we put our picture
Well, you know,
You
baby.
put the picture in,
Wait.
we flip those, that comes out. Uh-huh.
we put our picture in
Right there. And then you cover it.
then we put back
And then
in.
you put it back in.
I had a hard time with this screw, so okay.
We'll do that at home. First we got to figure out what pictures you want in it.
Here.
Dang it.
Here's another.
Is that your picture?
Yeah, it's my picture.
Plastic piece?
Look, it's my picture.
I know what you did.
Okay, where's
Flip
the cone?
this around.
Yeah.
You need to have no, you need to have the plastic piece. Okay, yeah.
I don't want to lose my purchase.
Okay, we all done?
It's a move.
You're welcome. We'll see you guys in like another week.
No.
We'll be doing our regular one.
Yep, we're registered for that too.
Yay! All right, you guys have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Woohoo!
And this isn't the sticker. Well, it could be, but I just ripped it out like Sophia did.
A bonus sticker.
Bonus sticker.
Now you have a frame for your Home Depot sticker.
Either way I turn this over, there's going to be a sticker.
You want to check out those Christmas blow-up things, the inflatables?
Yeah, like that disco party.
Disco Party Snowman.
Disco party snowman.
Do you like Disco Party Snowman?
It's another disco party.
Now it's Disco Party Santa,
I like this one.
the doggy. Do you like Olaf and Sven?
No,
No.
I like the piggy.
Oh yeah, Piggy, of course. The Christmas pig. How could you ever forget?
Christmas pig.
Christmas pig, Christmas all the way. Pig, pig,
Are we
pig,
going
Christmas pig,
or
Christmas
what?
pig, pig Christmas.
Christmas pig. Christmas
Silver
pig.
ones.
Christmas
That
pig.
one year we got.
Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig. Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig, Christmas pig. Hey, was that a good build?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Home Depot. All right.
Oh no, it's raining.
Now it's raining. Write your name on it. Yeah, do it.
And also my age.
Okay, you got a picture? What picture are you gonna put in there?
That one.
Figaro, zoom, zoom.
Looks like a boo-boo.
What's your picture, Nick?
Lego Minecraft Steve with full damage armor with a diamond sword.
Full diamond armor, diamond sword. Okay, you gonna cut them out? Put them in
Write
there?
your name. What?
Glass first. Picture. Back. Ooh! Let me see. Haha, Figaro. Okay. Steve.
So I remember first this, then picture, then wood.
Oh,
Oh,
looks good.